family, welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new here, welcome. My name is Vanessa. I know I look busted AF right now. Please just disregard that. Today's video is going to be a little different. It's not an updated hair routine or anything like that. I'm just trying out a new product and I thought, hey, why not try it on camera? So I went to Target and this baby right here caught my attention. This is the SheaMoisture Coconut Custard Make It Last Wash and Go Defining Gel Oil with coconut butter and plant peptides. So this does retail for $12 and you do get 12 ounces in here. There's no sulfates, no parabens, no phthalates, no mineral oil, and no animal testing, and no petrolatum. Not petroleum, petrolatum. I'm assuming it has to do with petroleum. Anyways, whatever. So this has coconut, which is rich in vitamin E, conditioning fatty acids, and natural triglycerides. The coconut butter is rich in essential fatty acids. It helps support hair's elasticity. And the plant peptides helps with the building blocks of protein, and it helps coat hair strands to enhance curl definition. So I'm just quickly gonna read you guys some of the info on here. Love your wash and goes but wish it would last longer. Our 5-step Make It Last style system is the answer. This rich gel oil takes curls to the next level with definition and soft hold. Coconut oil and coconut butter blend with super conditioning coconut milk and plant peptides in a special frizz-fighting formula that wraps strands in a protective shield, keeping curls defined, smooth, and glossy. Layer over primed hair, rub gel oil between your palms, and apply it to sectioned hair using the praying hands method. Use a diffuser to help dry and set your wash and style. Use a diffuser to help dry and set your wash and go style. So I'm really hoping this works for me. However, I'm going into this with an open mind because there's a couple things here, you know, make me believe this product is not for me, but I'm still use it. So first of all, this comes in a line that has a shampoo, a conditioner, a hair primer, which I'm assuming is just a leave-in conditioner. I don't know. That's just what I'm assuming. And a revitalizing oil, which you apply like a couple days after to revive your hair. This is supposed to be best if you put it in your hair after you've already put on the primer. I don't have the primer or anything else from the line, so that's already like one strike. This is supposed to define and shield the kinky, curly, coily hair. My hair is not kinky or coily. Technically speaking, my natural curl pattern that isn't damaged is tighter than what my hair is looking like now, but it still doesn't fall under the kinky curly definition. So I don't know if this is gonna work on my hair type. I'm still trying because I'm very intrigued. I've never heard of a gel oil before. Another thing, they talked about using the praying hands method. I don't even know what that is. Like, go like this. I've never done that with my hair. I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna wash my hair and I'll be back so we can apply this baby together. Also, I forgot to mention this is week-old hair. That is why I look like a complete mess. Like, my hair looks like a dry bird's nest right now. And no, this is not because I bleached my hair. My hair would look like this even before it was bleached after, you know, a couple days. I have naturally very dry hair. Alright friends, I'm back with freshly washed hair. I do have a leave-in conditioner on, which is what I always do, from SheaMoisture as well. Quickly, I just want to apologize because I don't have a mirror in this room, so I'm going to be looking at myself on the screen to do my hair. So if I look a little weird or a little off or my eyes look crazy, that is why. So I can't look at the lens while I'm trying to do my hair. So yeah, I part my hair to the side always, and then part my hair in the middle. We're gonna put this side away. Oh, I do want to talk about the packaging for this. Personally, I like the packaging. I think it's really cute. However, for this specific product, it's just not convenient. This would work. The consistency of this product would be best inside of like a tube with a pump, because it's just way too watery. Like, if I flip it anymore, it's gonna fall out. But you guys see this? It's way too watery to be in a container with like such an open lid. And it smells so good. It smells like a man. I'm sorry, but like I'm a sucker for like men's cologne. Candles, hand sanitizers, all of that with men's cologne smell. Amazing. I'm gonna start off with a small section. I'm gonna comb through it. This is my favorite comb. It looks dirty, but that's just my hair and conditioner. It's not dirty. This is the Tangle Teaser for thick and curly hair. I love this. I don't even know how much to grab. I think I'm gonna go in with a little bit, like this much. I'm not sure you guys can even see that. That's pretty clear. This product is really thin. Like, it does not feel like it's saturating the hair at all. I don't know if it's because of the consistency, but so far I'm not enjoying putting this in my hair at all. All right, so after I've applied the product to the hair, I'm just gonna brush it. And I'm just gonna be repeating that for every single strand. It feels weird, like my hair doesn't even feel like I've got anything in it. I look so stupid. My photos where you go, every corner twice as bright, they'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. So I'm done with this side. Now we're gonna move on to this side. I'm gonna be doing the exact same thing. This stuff is so liquidy, it keeps falling on my toes and it's grossing me out. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. So I have a product in my whole head now. I'm just gonna brush through my hair again. I just want to make sure that every strand has product in it. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is separate my hair with my fingers, like by running my fingers through my hair, but I'm not gonna do it too much because if I separate my hair too much, my hair will get very frizzy. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. So now what I'm gonna do is scrunch my hair. I know that my hair isn't dry, and when it's dry, that'll be the true test of how this product works. But so far I do have to say that my hair is not being weighed down. It honestly doesn't even feel like I have product in it. My hair just feels wet. However, I'm not gonna lie, I do prefer heavier, thicker creams. So this is what my hair is looking like right now, right after being scrunched. I am going to let my hair air dry for the rest of the day. Then at the end of the night, I'll come back and I'll diffuse with you guys. Hey guys, so I'm back. My hair is almost fully dry and I think my curls actually look really nice. They look very defined. The only thing I'm not really liking right now is that my hair is kind of crunchy. But I think that'll probably go away once I start diffusing it. Another great thing is that there is no residue, no flakes, nothing like that. So first I'm going to spray my hair with some heat protectant. This is the Chai, I don't know, 44 Iron Guard Thermal Protection Spray. And this is my blow dryer. This is the Chi Touch 2. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch my photos where you go. Every corner twice as bright, they'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Yo, I am sweating. All right, so most of my hair is dry. Some parts of it are still crunchy, but honestly I'm not even mad at it because by the looks of it, it looked like since the diffusing made some of the crunchiness come out, I feel like tomorrow, like in my sleep, the crunchiness will go away. I am so impressed. My hair is so freaking soft. Like, it's not even funny. I've never had my hair feel this soft, like with a styling product before. Like, you know, with masks and stuff like that, yeah, but with a styling product, oh my gosh. Like, I'm loving how it's looking so far. My hair is looking super defined. I just love it. So now I'm gonna put some oil in my hair. This was one of my favorites from February. So if you guys haven't seen my February favorites, I will link that down below. This is the Fanola Oral Therapy 24K oil. Guys, I forgot to mention that even before the oil, my hair looks really nice and shiny. Really nice, shiny, soft, defined curls. Alright, so this is what my hair is looking like. I am going to go night-night and I'm gonna show you guys what my hair looks like in the morning after I've slept in it. I don't know about y'all, but I feel like my second day hair is always my favorite and best day hair. Like, first day hair is never my favorite. My hair looks nice and clean and shiny, but it's just never my favorite. So yeah, I'll show you guys this hair tomorrow. Hey friends, it's the next day. Yes, I did sleep in this shirt. I am so in love with how my hair is looking. Like, I can't even believe this. Some parts of my hair are still crunchy, not as crunchy as last night, but it doesn't even matter to me, honestly, because my hair is so freaking soft and the curls are so defined, and I'm in love with the way my hair came out. So the product did work for me, even though it wasn't intended for my hair type and I didn't have the whole system. So I would definitely recommend you guys check it out. I'm really loving how my hair looks, and honestly, knowing my hair is just gonna keep getting more and more voluminous as the day goes on. But yeah, that is it for this first impressions. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys next time.